Would you like to do something with crypto but due to the lack of knowledge you don't dare to take the step? Then BitbrokerTrade might be just the thing for you. What is BitbrokerTrade? BitbrokerTrade is a 100% Dutch company that has developed trader software. This software will trade the price difference of crypto and euro for you. The software is working 24 hours a day and 7 days a week through your own crypto account. The company has been around since 2017, and if you look at the statistics, the software has only had a positive result. If you want to start using the trader software, you need an account at an exchange, like Bitvavo. Via a secure API code, BitbrokerTrade can start trading with your deposit. In case of loss, nothing happens. If there is a profit on a trade, then the money, after the costs have been deducted, is for you. I first extensively researched BitbrokerTrade to see if this is a reliable company. In any case, it is a Dutch company, and fortunately the regulations in the Netherlands are pretty strict when it comes to crypto and trading. In any case, a search at the AFM, Financial Markets Authority, does not yield any negative experiences. The permits are all in order and the website looks reliable. How does BitbrokerTrade work? BitbrokerTrade is a platform where you pay a small amount of credit only if a positive trade is made. Of course, it can also happen that a trade is in the minus. In that case, of course, you won't pay anything either. If necessary, you can close this trade manually yourself. Don't do this ever, because then you'll make a loss, and that's not the reason why you joined BitbrokerTrade, is it? You should always leave every BitbrokerTrade trade open. You'll be able to see in your back office that after some time it will be removed from your trades if you don't make any profit with it. It could be that after 6 months it still makes a positive trade. It could also be that after some time it will disappear if it remains negative. So there is nothing wrong with it. If the price goes up, the trade is closed and you receive the profits. If the price is negative, nothing will happen. This will cost you absolutely nothing. BitbrokerTrade is that simple. It's all very simple to get started with BitbrokerTrade. It's not difficult, and the explanation on their website is very extensive and clear. You create an account with an exchange. I recommend you to work with Bitvavo because of the low transaction fees Bitvavo has. If you want to get started, sign up using the link below this video. That way I get rewarded a little bit for making this review to help you get started. Signing up through my link will not cost you anything extra in any case.